Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how easy this is to paint. It's a three-step process, four-step process. And basically what you're gonna do, you're going to get, again, white, black paint, a dark color like blue, and a light color like yellow, okay? And basically, what you're gonna do, you're going to, I like to wet the brush first when it's dry, and then just get it a little bit wet. So anyway, you're going to take a little bit of the black. I'm talking about a little bit because the black, you know, it's a really strong paint. So take a little bit of black and then put it in the white paint, and then you are going to mix it. Make sure you mix it well, like that. See that? You can see already a little bit of a gray. Now, I just realized that this student put white first. If you want to do that, go for it, okay? But I already mixed it. So what you're gonna do here, when you color this, by the way, what I want you to do is put a little bit on this paper. I'll tell you why in a second. So go ahead, and now I am not going to color the whole thing right now. I'm just gonna do it really fast because I want this video to be short. But anyway, you do have to fill in the whole space. Anyway, you see how there's the first scale, and or it could be the second one if you put the white first. If you cover the letters, if you cannot see the letters, that means that you have enough paint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put again the same procedure here. Take a little bit of black again, and then mix it. Mix it again. And then now you're gonna end up with a darker shade, right? I mean a darker tint, I'm sorry. Now put it next to it. It doesn't look like it's dark enough. So I'm gonna go back, take a little bit more. And it's better for you to keep adding a little bit, guys, rather than putting too much. And then you have to go back and add white to it. Anyway, there you go. So I'm gonna test it, and yes, there is a little bit of a difference. So mix it well, and then go ahead and paint it. Can you see the difference? Yes, right? Okay. And that is as long as you can tell a little bit of a difference, then you're fine. And then you're gonna go back again, and then you're gonna get a feel for it about how much black paint to use, and see how it's getting darker. And then mix it really well, and then come back, test it on your paper. I can see a little bit. All right, there you go. See that? So as long as you can see an obvious difference between one tint to the other, then you're fine. And then you just keep going until you run out of them. Again, it's not important for you to end up with black, okay? So what I just did, guys, I'm using white paint and then adding a little bit of black. You're doing exactly the same thing on the middle one, except that you're using a color, right? A darker color. And then on this one, the same thing. Instead of white, you're using a color, a bright color like black, like yellow, and then you're adding a little bit of black at a time. So you realize that it's basically the same thing, right? Mm-hmm. Do I need to mix the other one? So you pretty much get it. You get it, right? All right. So thank you, guys. Yeah.